Since the first days of CarMoney, we've always strived to try and help customers get the lowest monthly payments and the lowest APRs when buying a new vehicle. We've moved on to digitising the business. In the last few years, we've moved on to using AI-powered chat and AI-powered telecom solutions.
Part of the decision to choose Connex was to push the company to be able to expand. The system that we previously had stopped us from growing as a business.
Without using AI, your business stands the risk of, one, potentially not helping customers as quickly and as efficiently as possible, but two, being left behind in a profitability stance as well. We know that AI tools can help do more with less. AI agents for CarMoney is the ability to be able to answer customers quicker using the data that we have within our systems and within our knowledge base.
CarMoney are utilising ConnexAI AI agents to handle their inbound and outbound voice calls. That allows their customers to get in touch with them faster, 24/7, 365, out of hours, on the weekends and throughout the holidays.
Having the ability to answer queries from our customers 24/7 helps us to be the company that we've always wanted to be. The customers want to get the answers now, not the next day. The more that we're able to help them, the better that we'll be able to serve the customers, and ultimately the better our business will perform.
So within the ConnexAI suite, you can actually customize your own AI voice. You can change the tonality, the pace, the formality of your voices to suit your business needs.
Having the AI voice incorporated in the AI agent really helps the customer feel comfortable when they come through to us. It's really beneficial that our AI understands the customer's needs and where they're at in their journey and responds efficiently.
Speaking to a computer isn't what people want. They want to feel like they're being heard by actual human beings. The more realistic this has got now with the current AI agents from Connex helps us to engage with our consumers in a more friendly and less formal way.
AI analytics allows companies like CarMoney to take all their data points so that they can better improve efficiencies in the business and altogether increase their revenue and profitability.
You know, we're able to see live dashboards to say how many calls are waiting in the queue, call times on it, inbounds, outbounds for each team. It gives us so much more ability than our previous system did.
Where we needed to use teams of people to analyse calls, we now have all the data at our fingertips in order to be able to compare the best sales agents to the lowest scoring sales agents. Using this data, we can then help to train the worst performing staff to become the best performing staff. Being part of the automotive industry and part of the finance industry, there are many changes being pressed upon us from other areas. We need to be aware of what our customers want to know and to be able to address that as soon as possible. The teams from across ConnexAI have been amazing at helping CarMoney to implement all the different tools.
Whether you're submitting a ticket or calling them up, you're always getting through to someone straight away, and it's always easy and accessible.
ConnexAI truly offers a white glove service when it comes to onboarding our customers. When CarMoney came to us wanting to adopt our AI solution, we were there for them every step of the way.
If you're looking to modernise your business and make sure that you help your customers the way that they're expecting to be helped in 2025 and beyond, you need to make sure that your partner is up to speed with all the latest technologies. That's one of the main reasons that we signed up with ConnexAI. AI is going to be part of more and more people's lives. We want to be able to help our customers more efficiently and give them the best experience. We're excited with the continued partnership of ConnexAI and how we can grow the businesses together to help more customers.